Hello everyone, my name is Dimitri. I'm the developer of InfraNodus, a tool that allows you to visualize any text as a network so you can detect interesting patterns within. Today I'm going to show you a really great new feature that we developed in the last weeks, which allows you to save your graphs and to see the current state of the graphs that you're working on. In order to use it, just open any graph, like I did here, and manipulate it a little bit. So for example, you can combine physical movement into one node. And then let's say you can also data feedback can be one node as well. Then you can delete this node interesting. Okay, so then we come to the state of the graph that we like. We can also filter and remove some of the less relevant nodes. And let's say that we want to save this current state of the graph. So what do? We go into the new save menu here on the left panel. And then we choose the name of the graph, let's say for presentation. And we can choose whether to make it default or not. In this case, we just save it like that for presentation. Click save, the graph is saved. Then when you reload the graph, let's say we open it again, we will see that it shows up as the version that we last edited, but without the filtering function. Okay, so in order to load that version, we just go into for presentation and click load. And then when we load this graph, you will see that it loads exactly the version that you last worked on. You can, of course, also share this version with others. Just make this graph public. And when you do that, the link which is generated will actually open this graph exactly in the same view as you're seeing right now. One other thing that you can do is, for example, make a view default. Let's say that we don't want to have in the default view all these different merge nodes, and we don't want to have the filters within. So we remove all the filters, then we go here and unmerge all the nodes so we can see exactly the nodes that we use. Okay, let's remove this, reset the filter again. Okay, so now let's say we want to save this graph, the original version, as the default version. So let's just call it default version. Click make default. It's saved. And if we open this graph again, what's going to happen is that it will open this default version without any stop nodes, without any merge nodes. So you will be able to see exactly how the graph looked originally. And of course, you have all the different options available here, the ones that you saved before. You can use the date or you can use the name. We didn't yet implement the ability to delete these versions, but we're working on it. We thought we wanted to roll out this update so you can enjoy this functionality, and later we will add some possibility to delete the nodes as well, the versions of the graph. Thank you. Try it out on InfraNodus.com, and there are more exciting new updates coming, and I will record separate videos about them. Thank you very much.